Yakde, suits tot, Saka, coming from my place to your place. Anyways, the day after, a couple days after the big wind that we had, that just blew my 10 by 20 Costco's tent right out of the ground. I had it staked down really good, and let me switch this around. Yeah. So anyways, the tent used to hang right here. Yeah, as you can see, it went around the ancestors pole right here, and then I had the other totem pole blanked out ready to carve, and it was just a nice little temporary shed. But every year you always have a couple of real hard wind storms come through, and I had, like I said, I had that staked down real good, and tied off four corners to the fence. Over here and over here to this post tied down. Really pretty good, you know. And but the windstorms sometimes they come in, and that tent would just be hopping all over the place trying to take off, but it couldn't do it. So I was expecting it. The tent material would shred before it tore out of the ground. But part of it I'm using anyways. This is part of the Costco's tent. Works out pretty good like that. Got a bunch of the framing down there. It bent it too before it ripped it out of the ground. So, but anyways, kind of reminds me of when I first started carving the ancestors pole. I started it off like this, just that one right here, you know, and all that, and then got the Costco's tent, put it up, and holy smokes, everything got opened up. Raining like crazy now, huh? Yeah. Shift it down a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Got the wonderful drain here. Take a look at it over here. Yeah. Holy smokes. Yeah. Anyways, we got this nice tarp on here. Covered it up good yesterday. Yesterday was a sunny day, and it was the first time that the ancestors pole got to see daylight, sunshine, because yesterday was a real sunny day when we got home and cleaned this up. And but from the time that the ancestors pole here was carved and finished and painted and all that, it was supposed to have been gone already a few different times, but here it sits still. And but it was always underneath the tent. And yesterday we got to see sunshine, daylight, I guess, which is good. I'm charging up a drone, but I figured, well, I'll wait till we get better weather. Yesterday it was still a bit windy, too windy to, even though it was a nice sunny day, it was too windy to put the drone in the air. I'm looking forward to that. And options are there, okay, right? So, anyhow, that's our new normal again. You know, I had that tent up for like 3 years, and like I said, every couple of times a year, just a real strong winds will come whipping through here, and I knew at some point it's going to need to get a brand new one or changed out kind of thing, because they weather, and so, but it was just a little bit sooner than I was hoping for. So anyways, have a great day. I'm gonna continue my carving, figure out some other options I can do here to utilize the space. And anyways, yay kwasitin satsu, huh? All right.